Planning your EDC outfit can feel overwhelming. With 3 nights of non-stop dancing under the electric sky, you need looks that are stunning, comfortable, and unforgettable. In this complete guide, I'm breaking down the best EDC outfit ideas for 2026, what to pack, and how to create looks that will turn heads all weekend long. Let's start with the EDC Essentials. EDC is a 3-day festival, which means you need 3 complete outfits plus backup pieces. The weather can vary dramatically from hot desert days to cool desert nights, so layering is crucial. You'll be walking miles and dancing for hours, so comfort is non-negotiable. And EDC is all about self-expression, so this is your chance to go bold, creative, and unapologetically extra. Night 1 outfit, the classic Rave Queen. Start with a sequin or holographic bodysuit as your base. These catch the stage lights and lasers beautifully. Add high-waisted shorts or a miniskirt for coverage and comfort. Layer with fishnet tights or thigh-high stockings for texture. Accessorize with rhinestone gloves, a statement headpiece or halo, and crystal face jewelry. Finish with platform boots or chunky sneakers for comfort and height. This look is bold, classic rave aesthetic, and perfect for making a first impression under the electric sky. Night 2 outfit, the Edgy Performer. Wear a Fringe bodysuit or 2-piece set for maximum movement. Fringe creates incredible visual effects as you dance. Add a rhinestone balaclava mask or crystal face chains for mystery and sparkle. Layer with body chains that drape across your torso or back. Accessorize with a performance hat, tassel belt, and bold makeup. Choose comfortable footwear like platform sneakers or rave boots. This look is edgy, high energy, and designed for the dance floor. Night 3 outfit, the Festival Goddess. Go all out with a statement piece like an embellished bralette and skirt set or a dramatic mesh bodysuit. Add a crystal halo headpiece or spiked crown for festival royalty vibes. Layer with iridescent or holographic accessories that catch the light. Incorporate face jewelry, body chains, and rhinestone pasties for maximum sparkle. Finish with comfortable heels or boots and a flowing kimono or poncho for the cool desert night. This look is ethereal, glamorous, and perfect for closing out the weekend in style. Essential accessories for all 3 nights. Rhinestone gloves are a must. They catch the light with every hand movement and are perfect for dancing. Crystal face jewelry and masks elevate any outfit and photograph beautifully. Body chains add dimension and sparkle to exposed skin. Statement headpieces like halos, crowns, or performance hats complete your look. And don't forget practical accessories, a hydration pack or small crossbody bag, comfortable insoles for your shoes, and a light layer for temperature changes. Comfort and practicality tips for EDC. Break in your shoes before the festival. You'll be walking and dancing for hours each night. Test your outfits at home. Make sure everything fits, stays in place, and feels comfortable. Pack backup accessories like safety pins, fashion tape, and extra hair ties. Bring a portable phone charger because your battery will drain fast. And always have a meeting point planned with your group in case you get separated. Color and theme strategies for EDC. Neon and black light reactive colors glow under UV lights and stand out in the crowd. Metallics and holographics catch lasers and stage lights beautifully. Monochrome looks in all white, all black, or all pink create a cohesive editorial vibe. And themed outfits based on your favorite stage, like Kinetic Field, Cosmic Meadow, or Neon Garden, add a fun, creative element. What to pack in your EDC bag. Hydration is crucial, so bring a hydration pack or refillable water bottle. Pack portable snacks like protein bars or trail mix for energy. Bring a small first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and blister pads. Include a portable charger and charging cable for your phone. Bring earplugs to protect your hearing during loud sets. And always have a meeting point planned with your group in case you get separated. Day versus night outfit considerations. EDC starts in the evening and goes until sunrise, so you'll experience both warm and cool temperatures. Start with your full outfit and bring a light layer to add as it cools down. Choose breathable fabrics that won't overheat you during peak dancing hours, and plan your most comfortable shoes for the longest night, usually Saturday. Photography and content tips for EDC. The best photo spots are at the iconic EDC stages, like Kinetic Field, the Ferris wheel, and art installations. Rhinestones and sequins photograph best under stage lights and lasers. Face jewelry looks incredible in close-up portrait shots, and always shoot during golden hour or under colorful stage lights for the most vibrant content. Common EDC outfit mistakes to avoid. Wearing brand new, unbroken shoes is the biggest mistake. You will regret it by hour 2. Over-accessorizing can weigh you down and become uncomfortable. Choose your statement pieces wisely. Forgetting layers for temperature changes will leave you freezing at 3 a.m., and not testing your outfit beforehand can lead to wardrobe malfunctions on the festival grounds. Packing list for EDC weekend. 3 complete outfits with backup accessories, comfortable, broken-in shoes for each night, hydration pack or water bottle, portable charger and cables, light layers like kimonos, ponchos, or jackets, first aid kit and personal care items, earplugs and sunglasses, and a positive attitude ready for 3 nights of magic under the electric sky. Here's your EDC outfit action plan. Plan 3 distinct looks, 1 for each night. Choose comfortable, broken-in footwear. Pack essential accessories, rhinestones, face jewelry, body chains. Bring layers for temperature changes. Test all outfits at home before the festival. Pack your hydration and comfort essentials and get ready to dance under the electric sky with confidence and style. EDC is more than just a festival. It's a celebration of music, self-expression, and community. Your outfit is your armor, your confidence, and your way of showing up as your most authentic, bold self. Don't hold back. Shine bright. Ready to create your ultimate EDC looks? Check out our complete collection of sequin bodysuits, rhinestone accessories, crystal face jewelry, statement headpieces, and performance wear. We have everything you need to own EDC 2026. Visit the link in the description to shop now.